New York City and see what they have to offer you. That would be a great thing to do. Hey, everybody over here, we're going to talk today. I'm answering questions about business, and Happy New Year to everybody. So any questions you're having, I'm recording this because I want everybody to hear the questions that have been asked, because some of you may have these same questions and I want to be able to answer them. Okay, hey, thank you so much, C. Taylor. Thanks so much, and Happy New Year to you. And so I was showing others that I have this guide. It's a free guide. Only thing you have to do is go to pushthedream.com or either text push the dream to 833-247-6465 and get this free guide. If you are looking to get grants in this near future of the year, if you're looking to grow your business, if you're looking to get a business loan for your business or either any business funding through SBA or wherever the case may be, you need to first have a business plan. If you're looking for investors to help invest in your business, you're going to need a guide. You're going to need a plan for the potential investor or whoever that you would like to invest in your business. And then also this resource guide it's going to be a part of my business plan course, but I do have information on where you can get. It's going to be in the guide. It's going to be over 100 that where you can, as you're building your business, you can apply for credit at the same time. So while I'm waiting on my client, we're getting ready to go over his government contracting opportunities. I've been working with him for a few years and his things. And so now he wants to see what kind of government contracts he can get for his business. So that's what we're getting ready to work on. And I wanted to come on and talk to you for a few minutes until we have our meeting. So I wanted to use my time a little wisely. So this is just going to be a short video here today to kind of just talk to you this morning about some other things. And let me bring my mic over here so I can definitely sound a little bit better for this other platform. So, all right, now, okay, you ready? Any more questions? If you're ready to make an appointment with me, you need to go and get on my calendar, see what I have available, and we can go from there. How about that? It's not a problem. We can work with you, and I can work with you one-on-one to tailor-made to your business. But really, I won't be taking a whole lot of appointments in 2025 because actually I'm going to be doing more classes. So if you are willing to meet with me, that is going to be $97. So when you schedule your appointment, just do know you will be getting an email and will be getting an invoice before our appointment. So I'm just letting you know this. You already know up front, so you know what to expect. There's no surprises, and we can go from there. And I can sit down and talk with you for about 40 to 45 minutes, tailor-made your business. Have your questions together, have everything you want to ask me. The small talk, we will not be small talking on these calls because you will miss the information yourself. You want to get the most out of your money talking to me one-on-one, and I'll share with you specific things for your business that you need to know. Okay. And so anyway, some things this year is going to require you going to another level with them. Some things are going to require you really, really taking a deep dive and just really, really focusing on them. I'm telling y'all, this year, things will not happen for you if you don't put the time in it. Yeah. Yeah, you won't put the time in it. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, so I said all that to say, what else do you need to ask me? Yes, I do. It's go to it's yes, I do. I have one, Biz Strategist Sandy. You can find me on Facebook at Biz Strategist Sandy. That's my Facebook page. If you go there, you can see me there and follow the page there. I'm live stream. I do live stream from there too as well. So you can definitely check me out there. So thank you so much for asking that question. So I'm waiting on your questions, everybody. Today is asking questions. Thanks for coming in over here in my other, hey Caprice, hey Crazy Ginger. All of you guys, thanks so much for being here. Biz Strategist Sandy. Go to my push where no, I'm not doing that. You do the work. This is what I mean. You go do the work. If you can't find it, go to my pushthedream.com. Go to pushthedream.com and you'll see the link that you can connect on my social media platforms. You'll see that on my website. How about that? Go there and then you can connect. When you go there, you will be able to see how you can connect with me on my other platforms. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Or you can text Push to Dream to 833-247-6465, and you can do it that way too as well. That's text Push the Dream to 833-247-6465. All right? Yeah. And then you can connect with me that way. So, yeah. So anyway, but like I said, going through, if you are going to be looking for funding this year, let me repeat this. You are going to be looking for funding out here in the world of business opportunities this year. You want to develop your business more, your dreams more, your goals more in your business. You definitely will need a business plan. No doubt about it. No one's going to give you their funding. Nobody's going to invest in your business without them knowing what's your thought pattern for the next level. So this free guide will help you, take you along the way. It's free. It has the information that you're going to need to make it happen. And then this is going to be useful if you want to get government contracts in the future, if you want to get grants. No one's giving out grants that is without one. No one's giving out grants like that. You have to be sure of you and know they don't want to know you have your stuff together, because now everybody in the world want a business nowadays. Everybody. You can get this guide by texting Push the Dream to 833-247-6465. Or you can go to pushthedream.com and you will see when you see this nice little video that I'm talking to you and I'm welcoming you to my ecosystem and my world. And then you will see it says the step-by-step business plan blueprint. It's under the red button. You go there and it's up on the red button, the first button up on the red button. You go there and then it'll say get your free guide. It is a free guide. It has a wealth of information in there. I took my time and laid it out for you. I laid out everything you need to know. If you don't even have to use me to help you grow your business. If you follow that information, then you get out there and you apply for grants on your own. It's going to help you that way as well. And my client just came. So if you are interested, please make sure that you do. And I'm going to get off. I'll be back on later on today. And I got a client that, like I said, we getting ready to do his government contracting information. So I must go. And remember, get this guide here, okay? So that's what y'all have to do, all right? So like I said, I got to go. I have another appointment, and we'll be talking later. Bye-bye. Y'all have a beautiful morning. Remember, go get the guide. It's going to help you. It's going to bless you. All right, so I'll talk to y'all later. See y'all later. Okay, it's going to bless you.